Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me, Atia Salwa, in reading one. In this first week, we will learn about dealing with new words using context clues. Therefore, at the end of this session one, we are expected to be able to estimate the meaning of new words by using definitions or descriptions, synonym, antonyms, and examples. The course-specific learning outcomes are first, students are able to understand the meaning of new word by using definitions and description. Second, students are able to understand the meaning of new word by using synonyms. Number three, students are able to understand the meaning of new word using antonyms. And the last one, students are able to understand the meaning of new word by using example. Please study the files links provided below so that you can achieve the competencies mentioned above. Don't forget to answer the questions in discussion forum and also give comments to your friends' answer to get better scores in this first session. We will meet again in the next week in week number 2. Good luck and don't hesitate to contact me if you meet problems. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terbuka, making higher education open to all.